Hello, a very warm evening to everyone. Myself, Dr. Mansi Patil from Kolhapur. I welcome you all on behalf of Ignited Minds by PHF to this wonderful series of learning Guruji Ke Saath Guruvar Part 2 that we started on 10th April 2025 under the mentorship of our Guruji Dr. Liaquat Namole sir. So friends, I feel happy and blessed today to welcome and introduce today's speaker. We all know Dr. Anita Bajaj Madam from Mumbai. So here is a little information about Madam. Madam has passed her MD in Organon and Philosophy, and since 1990 she is practicing. So it is more than 35 years now. She has vast experience of 35 years of homeopathic practice. First, she was working in ICR for 10 years, and then she, in urban as well as in rural centers, she loves teaching and exploring new systems and remedies. She has studied all approaches and believe in learning from all schools of homeopathy. So we are blessed to have Anita Madam today. And as Dr. Liaquat sir always call her as an educator. So we are blessed to learn from her. So let us welcome Dr. Anita Madam with a huge round of applause. Welcome, Madam. Over to you.
Thank you. Thank you for inviting me. And it's
Welcome,
always a
Anita.
pleasure to
Welcome.
share stage with Liaquat. Okay. Shall we start?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Over to you, please.
I'll share my case. So the title for today's presentation is Language of Disease. So in homeopathic practice, we don't give only importance to prescription or the remedy, but also understanding the patient as a whole. So sometimes the disease which they are suffering from also is a big clue, or you can, connect it with patient's life space and patient's conflict. So here, this patient is of pulmonary fibrosis and she has been suffering from last 10 years. So we will start with the case. You can see the screen.
Yes, ma'am. Can we make it a full screen?
Yeah. I'll make it full screen.
Yeah, fine.
Okay. So she's a 59-year-old female patient, came with complaint of pulmonary fibrosis. She had come to me for a short period of time, 4 to 5 years back, with her sister. But she didn't continue for a long. Her sister's family comes to me. They are my old patients. So last time she was accompanied by her sister, and seeing her chemistry, I did not send her sister out. So both the sisters were there when I took her case. So this time she came alone. She had come with daughter, but daughter was waiting outside. She came alone. Her complaint started in 2010. So almost 15 years back. She has come recently to me last month only. So from 15 years she has been suffering, and she's on allopathic medication also. Her house was being renovated and they continued to stay there with all the dust and pollution, etc. Patient said it started due to that. When asked about stress, she said, this time I came alone so that I can give you proper history. So last time I did not say much because of my sister. So she has this clarity. For homeopathy, proper history is required. For she took so long, 4 to 5 years she took. And actually sister had come first time. After that she used to talk to me on phone and she used to tell me to send the medicines. So it was not that she couldn't have come there alone, that time alone, and talk to me. But she said ki last time I didn't say much because of my sister. Around 2010, when her complaint started, that time only her son wanted to marry a girl from other caste. Patient is Kachi Jain and daughter-in-law is Vaishnav Gujarati. Patient was not happy as they have very good name in society. They are very well known, famous people. And 15 years back, society was not that broad-minded. This all patient is saying, huh? So you have to give attention on how she is saying and what are conflicts in her family, in her life. Hmm. Slide is not moving. Also, she said we are so active in religious activities. They do a lot of religious activities. They do fasting and praying and mass prayers and all that. So, had the daughter-in-law been from our religion, it would have been fun. See the word she is using. If she was from my community or my caste, तो मजा आती. बहु मजा आवत. That was the word she used in Gujarati. Daughter-in-law does not follow Jainism much, but does respect the sadhu sadhvis. So if you know, Jain generally sadhu sadhvis, they come to Jain people and they take lunch from, they take food from these families. So few families, they all regularly give food to sadhu and sadhvis. They have to prepare that Jain food with full purity. So sadhus and sadhvis can come and eat there or take food from them. So that daughter-in-law does all that lovingly. And she also visits their spiritual guru on auspicious days. Patient said she adjusted well. She gave us 5 years. Later, she started her career. She's a famous yoga teacher. बहुत नाम है उसका. She teaches celebrities. Now she is so busy that she doesn't even have time for herself. So she doesn't even eat on time. So I have to be after her for eating. And she follows strict diet, being yoga teacher and very much in diet and all that. So she eats very strict diet. So now see, when the son married, that time what was patient's outlook and now what is patient's outlook? Now pain of patient. What is pain of patient? Daughter-in-law has fibroids, so she does not have any issue. Now her marriage also almost 10 years have, 15 years have passed. She also got married in 2010 only, when her disease started. And she is not very keen also to take treatment. Patient had taken her to gynec forcefully, saying, I want grandchild. But gynec too told her, don't force her. If she is not willing, you can't force her. Patient is sad as she does not have a grandchild. She said, I tell her, you just give birth to the child. I will take care of the child. So don't be scared of taking up the responsibility. I am there. I am capable. I can do everything. So you just give birth to the child and I will take care of the child fully. But daughter-in-law is not very open to patient. So she doesn't discuss much with her ki what are her problems, why she doesn't want a child. So whenever now her patient's daughter also had fibroids and she also has not conceived. This patient has one son and one daughter. So daughter is also very happily married. But for 7 years, because of her career, she did not want to conceive. And now when she wants to conceive, she was diagnosed with fibroids, intramural fibroids. So she was operated for it. So patient suggested this to her daughter-in-law also. See, she has also undergone surgery. Nothing happened to her. Everything is fine. So you also undergo the surgery. Because for fibroids, she had taken some treatment, homeopathy and Ayurvedic or something for some time, but there was no response, so she left it. Now patient's daughter-in-law says it will be against nature, so I don't want to undergo any surgery. So Like patient tells her son also to convince her, but then son also says you leave her. नसीब में होगा तो हो जाएगा. So you see what her desire is and how people are, trying to tell her that you leave her alone. Last time also when she had come for the treatment, that time she had talked about her daughter-in-law and she had also brought reports of her. But she herself also did not continue. So there was no question of, daughter-in-law taking treatment. Patient has one daughter too that I told you. She also did not want to conceive for 7 years. Now she's trying. So daughter also has come to me for treatment. She only came first and then she brought her mother also again. So at least for her, as far as daughter is concerned, patient is relieved that at least she is doing something. But daughter-in-law is very adamant and she is not even doing anything for that. Now, if we go to the life space of patient, they have a huge business of art material and they run workshops. So this sales aspect and shops are managed by son and running workshops and training is taken care by the daughter. So both son and daughter are involved actively in the business. Patient's husband is more inclined to religion and social work. So he had stopped going to shop. Initially, they had stationery shop. So he stopped going to the shop. So for some period of time, patient also went and sat on the shop, in the shop. They have a house at Devlali where they hold religious camps. So if you know Jainism, they do Updan every summer for 300 children. And patient takes active part in that, making all arrangements, holding events, teaching drama. They generally do, drama to give good values to children or teach religion to children. So she is very active in that. And she likes all those activities. Patient and her husband have very good bond. They do everything together. Like whenever they are fasting, they fast together. They go out together. They do all social activities together. They do prayers together. So everybody says कि अरे ये कितना अच्छा कपल है ये, कितना प्रेम है इन लोगों के बीच में. Before marriage, patient's family was in village and they were farmers, so not very well off. Patient's brother was in Mumbai. So patient being youngest was sent to Mumbai to help Bhabhi during her pregnancies or deliveries to take care of children and all that because she was unmarried at that time. She was made to work, though brother had told parents that they will educate her here. So instead of putting her in school and, educating her, they made her work in the house. Patient did not say anything. And even if she complained to her parents, she was told to adjust because condition was not that great. She wanted to learn so many things. But because of, brother and sister-in-law, Bhabhi and financial issues, she could not learn those things. Her brother and sister-in-law also have good name in society. After marriage, patient's husband gave her everything. Patient's in-laws are very wealthy. So husband provided her with everything. She learned driving also. So whatever she wanted to learn, husband always told her or motivated her to do whatever she wanted. Now she feels her bhabhi is jealous of her because now she is also married to in a wealthy family. And what she does, I asked her why you feel that way. So she said ki whenever we have to go out somewhere to a common event or common relative, भाभी would always ask me at the last moment कि तेरे को चलना है क्या, मैं जा रही हूँ. अगर लेके जाना है तो she should tell me in advance, no, so that I can make preparations, I can get ready and all that. So it is like she doesn't want me to come along, but just for the sake of formality, she is asking me. So this irritates her, but then she doesn't say anything. She feels she does it, Bhabhi does it deliberately. Bhabhi is nice to other sisters. So she feels it is because of my social position and my wealth that day, Bhabhi is jealous of me and that is why she is behaving in this way. But patient feels I too have a car and driver. So if I have to go, I can go alone. I'm not dependent on her. So this is the resolution she takes from herself. Patient likes to help others. She cannot tolerate injustice, likes to gift her staff. So whenever she, goes to the shop and all, she will take gifts for all the staff members. She will even cook some special dishes for them and send food for them. She prays God that let me be like this. मेरा मन ऐसा ही रखना. मतलब मेरा मन छोटा कभी मत करना. मैं जिस तरह से देती रहती हूँ वैसे ही मैं रहूं. She likes pravachan. Tap means fasting. I go running. Matlab she is so enthusiastic to listen to pravachans and all that I go running there, finishing all my household work fast. She invites sadhus, sadhvis and cooks for them. She is happy except for not having a grandchild and daughter-in-law not listening to her. About disease, she doesn't like doing chest exercises. Now she has gone to chest physician who has advised her to do chest physiotherapy. So there is one specialist. In his clinic only, he holds like exercises, calls physiotherapist, and they do all the chest exercises, breathing exercises and all that. So he always advises his patients who have restrictive lung disease and all that to do those exercises for 2-3 months. So this patient never goes there regularly. And she has been advised to take oxygen also so that further damage is prevented. But she doesn't take oxygen regularly. She's on steroids and immunosuppressants. She felt grateful towards her Bhabhi. Now, for Bhabhi, she was talking ill that she is jealous of me and all that. But at the same time, she says ki I'm very grateful to her. As Bhabhi is very active, she knows everything. So I have learned so many things from her. And as I stayed with them in Mumbai, I have learned to adapt to both rural and urban life. So I have become smart and I can adjust anywhere. Mansi, we have to discuss or I shall just go on with the presentation?
Yes, if anybody wants to give any input, we can take.
Hello. I hope everybody has heard the case. Anybody would like to share anything or have any questions? 32 members are there. At least somebody answer. What do you think about the patient? Case is clear? Yes, Pannabin. Benevolent and religious lady. Right. Anybody else would like to say anything?
Ma'am, I have heard only last 7 to 8 minutes. And I think ego bhi lag raha hai. Everywhere she's saying, I am doing this, I am doing that. Like, so I found she's egoist also. I have heard only last 7-8 minutes ka hi suna.
Okay.
And Bhabhi, what lastly you said, ke, then she said, nee, Bhabhi is nice also. I have learned so many things. So maybe two thoughts are going in her mind for Bhabhi, at least. Ek
Yes.
side, she's not very happy with the Bhabhi, and the other side, she said, nee, I have learned also from her.
So how do you conclude? What do you conclude from this?
Only this thing, I don't know, antagonism with herself, I don't think so, okay, I can take. But two thoughts are going in her mind for her, confusion maybe, or two thoughts.
Is she confused or she is talking about two different things?
Two different things, not confused, but two different things. One moment she's not happy or appreciating Bhabhi, and at the other time she's appreciating her also.
Yes. Same with her daughter-in-law also, no?
Yes.
I think you have not
Yes,
heard.
lastly I have missed actually only 5-7 minutes I have heard last five.
Yes, clarity है mind में. Very good.
मैडम सोशियबिलिटी ले सकते हैं अपन और एम्बिशन डिस्यूड.
हाँ, ambition deceived.
हाँ, एलिमेंट फ्रॉम एम्बिशन डिस्यूड.
कैसे?
जैसे उसे ग्रैंड चाइल्ड चाहिए,
हाँ.
जैसे नाती पोती चाहिए, लेकिन उसका ये हो नहीं रहा है.
हम्म. वो डिजायर है कि एम्बिशन है? एम्बिशन में
Desire.
अपना एक एफर्ट रहता है ना, आपको कुछ अचीव करना है और उसके लिए आप एफर्ट करते हो,
हाँ.
उसी डायरेक्शन में एफर्ट करते हो. आपकी इच्छा है ये एक डिजायर है कि मुझे पोता हो जाए, पोता पोती जो भी है. और वो डिजायर पूरी नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, वो पूरी नहीं हो पा रही है, तो उसको क्या बोलेंगे हम?
डिसअपॉइंट हो गई है.
यस, इट्स मोर ऑफ डिसअपॉइंटमेंट, नो? Whenever you keep any expectation and expectation is not fulfilled, you feel disappointed, no?
Yes.
Anybody else? Okay, can anyone say why she is suffering from this disease, pulmonary fibrosis?
Suffocation may be there, ma'am.
Hmm?
Suffocated feels ऐसा लग रहा है.
Suffocation कभी फील होता है आपको?
Psychodynamically, ma'am, I think there is a loss in fibrosis, some loss in life.
Okay. Okay, let's go ahead. So, language of disease. Now, if we read about lung diseases, what is given is in ancient holistic medical traditions, the lungs are organs related to sadness. When and why do we feel sad? When the situations in our life do not conform to what we want or what we desire. Match हो रहा है यहाँ पे? If things don't go the way we want, we feel sad. डॉटर इन लॉ अगर मेरे धर्म की होती तो बहुत मजा आता, हम लोग जॉइंटली सब रिलीजियस एक्टिविटीज कर सकते। और बच्चा होता तो भी मतलब वो बोली कि मैं पूरा संभालूंगी, तुम खाली मुझे पैदा करके दे दो, फिर भी वो डॉटर इन लॉ सुनने को तैयार नहीं। But the lungs are also organs that allow us to breathe, expand, contract continuously during our existence without ever stopping. So, in this way, they manifest the continuous oscillation that characterizes life in the terrestrial dimension. टेरेस्ट्रियल डायमेंशन में ही लंग्स की ब्रीदिंग होती है ना, बाकी जो एक्वेटिक एनिमल्स रहते हैं वो तो पोर्स में से डायरेक्ट पानी में से ही ऑक्सीजन ले लेते हैं, उनका डिफ्यूजन हो जाता है ऑक्सीजन से। द कंटिन्यूअस एवोल्यूशन फ्रॉम वन सिचुएशन टू अनदर, द कंटिन्यूअस ऑल्टरनेशन ऑफ ह्यूमन इवेंट्स, in a word, the dualistic reality of life on this planet. When do we breathe well? When we live this harmonious flow in full freedom and move with it, enjoying it, and not placing limits or constraints on it. So, abhi daughter-in-law is from different religion. It has become a little bit of restriction for her. She is not participating in all the things which the patient is doing. And patient is so active, handling 300 children, holding an event of that, इतना बड़ा इवेंट ऑर्गेनाइज करना, 300 बच्चों को ट्रेन करना, अगर उसमें डॉटर इन लॉ साथ में एक टीम बन के काम करती तो उसको कितना अच्छा लगता। तो वो जो हार्मनी या एक रिदम में लाइफ चलनी चाहिए, तब आप फुल्ली ब्रीथ कर सकते हो विथ फुल फ्रीडम, एंजॉइंग इट। इसने मजा बोला ना, कि अगर वो अपने रिलीजन की होती तो कितना मजा आता। And not placing limits on constraints on it. So if we look at the structure of lungs, we see how extremely light they are. At microscopic observation, the main structure is the pulmonary alveoli, consisting of little matter and a lot of space, जिसमें अच्छे से हवा घूम सकती है, अच्छा हवा जा सकती है, एक्सचेंज ऑफ गैसेस प्लेस बराबर हो सकता है, टेक प्लेस कर सकता है। So the lungs are organs of space, of our personal space. और ये इनका कैसा है स्पेस, इसको खुला चाहिए ना, बाहर वालों के साथ भी वो इतना अच्छे से वो कर रही है, उसका स्पेस कितना बड़ा है। सो मच स्पेस शी ऑक्यूपाइज कि वो अपने स्टाफ के लिए भी खाना बना के जा रही है, साधु साध्वी लोगों के लिए, 300 बच्चों के लिए इवेंट वगैरह करना, तो उसका खुद का पर्सनल स्पेस कितना है। लेकिन ये एक ही स्पेस है कि घर में आके आप डॉक्टर इन लॉ को कुछ बोल नहीं सकते हो। गायनेक ने भी बोला, इट लीव इट ऑन हर, इफ इट इज हर विश वी विल डू द ट्रीटमेंट। सन ने भी बोला छोड़ दो उसको, लीव हर अलोन, अगर नसीब में होगा तो होगा। तो आपको वहां पे क्या लगता है, बाहर तो आप सब कुछ अपने मर्जी से कर रहे हो, लेकिन घर में जो आपका खुद का पर्सनल स्पेस है, वहां पे एक रिस्ट्रिक्शन है कि आप बोल नहीं सकते हो। डॉटर इन लॉ खाना भी टाइम पे नहीं खाती है, वो अपना ट्रीटमेंट नहीं कर रही है, गायनेक के पास नहीं जा रही है, उससे खुल के बात नहीं कर रही है। तो जो बंदे को खुल के जीने की आदत है, उसको कितना रिस्ट्रिक्शन आ जाता है। एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू वैदिक ट्रेडिशन, द लंग बिलोंग्स टू द एनर्जी गवर्न्ड बाय फोर्थ चक्रा। दिस चक्रा हैज टू डू विथ बॉन्डिंग इश्यूज। तो यहाँ पे मदर इन लॉ डॉटर इन लॉ का जो बॉन्ड है वो कैसा है, डॉटर इन लॉ खुल के बात नहीं कर सकती है, इसलिए इसको भी एक रिस्ट्रिक्शन आ जाता है ना, कि वो कितना उसके स्पेस में जा सकेगी, उससे बात कर सकेगी। उसको अच्छा नहीं लगता है, वो लेके भी गई जबरदस्ती गायनेक के पास, तो गायनेक ने क्या बोला, उसको करना है तो करने दो, यू डोंट फोर्स हर। द बॉन्ड इज व्हाट बाइंड्स अस टू अदर पीपल, टू ऑब्जेक्ट्स और टू सिचुएशंस एंड सर्कमस्टेंसेस। अभी दिल, शी इज वेरी वेरी मच, she wants to live a good balanced life. अभी इन शॉर्ट अगर बोलेंगे तो chronic inflammatory lung disease, can't breathe fully, less joy, less freedom, less oxygen means lack of love. Love is oxygen, life. Restrictive lung disease means can't say much to daughter-in-law, no open-hearted conversation or exchange of feelings. और डॉटर इन लॉ को कुछ ब्लॉक्स है तो वो बता सकती है ना कि मम्मी मुझे ये तकलीफ है इसलिए मुझे नहीं करवाना है. Now, if we come to patient as a person, there is love for family. Not just own family, but also the extended family. There is lot of wealth. I think people were also leading to this remedy only. Can handle her emotions. जो आप दो चीजों की बात कर रहे थे कि भाभी के लिए उसको वो भी है, गुस्सा भी है, बट एट द सेम टाइम वो बोल रही है कि उससे सीखने को भी मुझे बहुत मिला है. तो शी इज एबल टू रीजन दैट आउट. उसमें उतनी इंटेलेक्चुअल कैपेसिटी है कि वो अपने इमोशंस को बैलेंस आउट कर सकती है. जिसमें जो पॉजिटिव दिखा, डॉटर इन लॉ के लिए भी बोला कि डॉटर इन लॉ हैज गिवन 5 years टू अस. शी ऑल्सो विजिट्स आवर गुरु. शी ऑल्सो टेक्स केयर ऑफ साधुज एंड साध्वीज. सो डॉटर इन लॉ जहां पे कर रही है उसका भी उसको एक एहसास है. एट द सेम टाइम उसको जो नहीं मिल रहा है उसका भी एहसास है. तो शी इज नॉट क्रिएटिंग एनी फस इन द फैमिली और घर में कोई झगड़ा कर रही है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. वो अपने इमोशंस को कंट्रोल कर सकती है. गायनेक ने भी बोला कि उसको छोड़ दो, बेटे ने भी बोला छोड़ दो, तो वो कुछ झगड़ नहीं रही है, उसने छोड़ दिया है. दो डिजायर इज स्टिल वेरी स्ट्रांग, इसलिए वो मेरे साथ भी बात कर रही है. मैंने भी उसको बोला है कि डॉटर इन लॉ को एक बार लेके आ मेरे को, तो मैं कन्विंस करती हूँ उसको. And I have told her, my resolution to her was कि you focus on your life. तुम अपनी जिंदगी अच्छे से जी रही हो, तुमको हर जगह से कंटेंटमेंट है, हर जगह से पॉजिटिविटी है, तो एक चीज को लेके तुम निगेटिव क्यों हो रही है? वो उनकी लाइफ है. उनको बच्चा चाहिए तो करेंगे, नहीं चाहिए तो नहीं करेंगे. यू कैन नॉट फोर्स योर व्यूज ऑन एनीबडी एल्स. तो शी क्वाइट वेरी वेल एक्सेप्टेड इट. तो सेकंड टाइम व्हेन शी हैड कम शी वाज क्वाइट रिलीव्ड कि ठीक है, उसकी मर्जी होगी तो वो करेगी, नहीं होगी तो ठीक है, मैं उसको सजेशन दूंगी आपके पास आने का. आएगी तो ठीक है, नहीं आएगी तो भी चलेगा. सो वी सी egotism also in her, wealth also in her, and independence. I am fit enough to take care of the child alone. I take care of all 300 children, hold events, I am good at everything. So I don't need anybody. I have my own car and I'm my own driver. I can go everywhere alone. So she is not dependent on anyone. सोशल पोजीशन का उसको डर है, क्योंकि जब लव मैरिज कर रहे थे तो उसको वो था. अभी भी बच्चा नहीं है तो उसको वो थोड़ा बहुत उस चीज का भी लगता है. सो नाउ इफ वी गो टू द रेपर्टरी, एक्चुअली रेपर्टरी की जरूरत नहीं है. आई थिंक सब लोग सल्फर पे आ ही गए होंगे, बट स्टिल वी विल ट्राई टू study little uncommon shades of sulfur. So activity desires creative activity. ड्रामा वगैरह होल्ड करवाती है वो. इंडस्ट्रियस, हर चीज में एक्टिव है. बेनेवोलेंस, डिस्पेयर, सोशल पोजीशन ऑफ, रीजनिंग पावर इंक्रीज्ड. Emotions are predominated by the intellect. She can take care of her emotions also. कहीं पे वो झगड़ा नहीं कर रही है. इवन अपनी भाभी के साथ भी उसने झगड़ा कभी भी नहीं किया. वहां पे भी वो समझ गई कि ठीक है, वो नहीं पढ़ा रहे तो नहीं पढ़ा रहे, मम्मी पापा ने बोला अपनी हैसियत नहीं है, तुमको चुप करके रहना है वहां पे, तो वो रही वहां पे. delusion, wealth of jealousy, children between, this I have taken because patient said कि वो jealous, भाभी jealous है, but I think it is more of a projection कि उसका कहीं ना कहीं कंपटीशन भाभी के साथ चल रहा है, क्योंकि भाभी का भी नाम अच्छा है समाज में और इसका खुद का भी नाम अच्छा है. Injustice cannot support. Now we will see retro rubrics also. अभी अपने को हमेशा सल्फर का एलिमेंट्स फ्रॉम हम लोग ज्यादा नहीं सोचते. तो यहाँ पे आई वॉज वेरी सरप्राइज्ड. मैं सोच रही थी कि भाई भाभी का डोमिनेशन है कि क्या है, उसको कैसे लेंगे हम लोग. तो आई फाउंड दीज रूब्रिक्स एज एलिमेंट्स फ्रॉम चाइल्डहुड ट्रामा. इसको पढ़ना था, लेकिन भाई भाभी ने उसको घर के काम करवाए और उसको पढ़ाया नहीं. तो यहाँ पे उसने इसको अब्यूज भी नहीं लिया है, डोमिनेशन भी नहीं लिया है. तो इट्स मोर ऑफ चाइल्डहुड ट्रॉमा. शी वॉज हर्ट बाय द फैक्ट दैट ब्रदर ब्रॉट मी फॉर एजुकेटिंग एंड ही मेड मी वर्क एट हिज होम. डिसअपॉइंटेड लव, निग्लेक्टेड भी. तो यहाँ पे वो भाई भाभी ने उसकी इच्छाओं का ध्यान नहीं दिया, उसको पढ़ना था, उसको कुछ कुछ सीखना था, तो उसके ऊपर उसको ध्यान नहीं दिया गया. Elements from sexual excess because they do so much. They do so much for others. Elements from unhappiness. बाकी सब जगह पे वो हैप्पी है, बट ये दो तीन चीजों को लेके वो अनहैप्पी है. Alcoholism, idleness from. So whatever she is doing, that religious activities and all that is like an addiction for her. She is like, she is enjoying doing this because she is idle. अभी उसको घर पे करने के लिए कुछ है ही नहीं, पोता पोती कोई है ही नहीं. घर की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज तो वो काफी टाइम से कर रही है, तो शी इज यूज टू ऑल दोज वर्क्स. उसके लिए कुछ नया नहीं है वो. तो उसकी जो एक्टिविटीज भी वहां पे चल रही है, इट इज फ्रॉम आइडलनेस. एनल फिक्सेशन. व्हाट इज एनल फिक्सेशन? इज अ कंट्रोलिंग थिंग. क्योंकि एनल स्टेज पे बच्चा अपने बॉवल ब्लैडर को कंट्रोल करना सीखता है. तो वो जो कंट्रोल आता है, वो कंट्रोल सिर्फ खुद के लिए नहीं आता है. दे वांट टू कंट्रोल द एनवायरमेंट ऑल्सो. सो समवेयर शी वाज ट्राइंग टू कंट्रोल हर डॉटर इन लॉ बाय टेकिंग हर टू गायनेक एंड ऑल, बट उसको उसका फीडबैक मिल गया कि गायनेक ने भी उसको बोल दिया कि तुम उसके ऊपर छोड़ दो, और बेटे ने भी बोला उसको छोड़ दो. बट शी डिड ट्राई टू कंट्रोल. यहाँ पे उसका कंट्रोल नहीं चला. Anxiety family about his, anxiety household matters about. Now conflict about higher consciousness and worldly existence. What is higher consciousness? Higher consciousness है कि सबको अपने हिसाब से जीने दो ना. आपको अटैचमेंट में इतना भी अंधा नहीं होना है कि आप अपनी चीजें दूसरों के ऊपर इम्पोज करो. लेकिन वो नहीं समझ में आता है. और जो दादी बनने की इच्छा है कि हमारे घर का भी वारिस होना चाहिए, वो वर्ल्डली एग्जिस्टेंस है कि हमारे जनरेशन आगे बढ़नी चाहिए. तो यहाँ पे उसको समझ में नहीं आ रहा है कि मैं कंट्रोल करूं कि नहीं करूं. कंफ्यूजन ऑफ माइंड मिक्सेस सब्जेक्टिव एंड ऑब्जेक्टिव. अगेन दिस इज लाइक दिस. सब्जेक्टिव इज व्हाट यू फील, ऑब्जेक्टिव इज व्हाट इज ट्रू फॉर अदर्स ऑल्सो. सो यहाँ पे उसको अपनी इच्छा और बाकी सब जो बोल रहे हैं, ऑब्जेक्टिवली बोल रहे हैं कि जिसको बच्चा करना है वो उसकी इच्छा है ना. तो ऐसे कैसे बोल सकती है कि बच्चा पैदा करके दे दो, मैं करूंगी उसका? वो क्या मशीन है क्या, बच्चा पैदा करके तुमको दे देगी? लर्निंग डिजायर फॉर. अभी वी विल एक्सप्लोर दिस. लीड टाइप बिहेवियर, अल्फा टाइप. नाउ व्हाट इज अल्फा टाइप? वी विल ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड. These are also elements from. ये मैंने जस्ट दिखाने के लिए लिया है, नॉट इन दिस केस, बट एलिमेंट्स फ्रॉम बीइंग बुलीड, एलिमेंट्स फ्रॉम चाइल्डहुड ट्रॉमा मैंने उसमें लिया है ऑलरेडी. एलिमेंट्स फ्रॉम डिस्कॉर्ड्स, स्पेशली पेरेंटल डिस्कॉर्ड्स एंड डिवोर्स, ये सब भी मेंशन किया हुआ है. नॉट इन दिस केस, आई एम जस्ट गिविंग दिस which I found little interesting. And elements from literary and scientific failure. Sulfur cannot take failure because of the ego and also because of their own intellectual capacities. So they feel everything is possible, and when then that doesn't happen, they can have ailments. So now we will try to understand alpha type behavior. What is alpha type behavior? Is this lady, see how self-assured she is. Very self-confident. Everybody else is in her shadow. Usually self-confident, dominating, practical type, over-enthusiasm, practical idealist, gives a lot to others, social, extroverted, self-conscious, selfish, egotism. Now, an alpha female is a term used to describe a woman who exhibits traits of leadership, confidence, assertiveness, independence, often seen as someone who takes charge and is a natural leader. They are known for being bold, fearless, and not afraid to voice their opinions or pursue their goals. Key characteristics of an alpha female often include leadership, confidence, assertiveness, independence, ambition, resilience, strong moral compass, and strategic thinking. So they are so, talented people. They are so resourceful. But problem कहाँ पे आता है? Love for family. वो वहां पे लव फॉर फैमिली में अटक जाते हैं जहां पे उनकी ये सब क्वालिटीज धरी की धरी रह जाती है. ये पेशेंट सब कुछ पा सकती है लेकिन अपनी डॉटर इन लॉ को कंट्रोल नहीं कर सकती. एंड दैट इज ऑल्सो बिकॉज ऑफ higher existence or the religiousness. So, the remedy is sulfur. We can read the radar keynotes also, where they have given practical. I'll just open that. Self-conscious, selfish egotism, usually self-confident, domineering, critical, thinks himself better, eventually disgust of others, philosophical and intellectual type. That is why they can handle their emotions also very well. So they will come across as very balanced people. They won't discuss their problems emotionally. They will tell you both the sides of the coin. They will give you the proper balanced view. ये पॉजिटिव है, ये नेगेटिव है. तो वो नेगेटिव में भी नहीं फ्लो होंगे और पॉजिटिव में भी नहीं फ्लो होंगे. So they will give you a proper view of the problem also. Reclusive and practical. See, looking to the truth behind things, wants to discover something nobody discovered. और यहाँ पे जो है ना practical type. Over enthusiasm, practical idealist. Generally ये कितना contradictory term है. Idealists are people who live in their romantic world, in their imaginary ideal world like ammonia. But these people are practical idealists because they are intellectual and philosophical also. So that is the way, that is the reason that they can also adapt to the environment and they can become practical. They don't allow any problems to become the obstacle for them. They don't get stuck anywhere. So they can move ahead and they can solve their own problems. Of course, in the process, they do pay cost, like this patient is also paying cost at the level of her lungs. But then still, they are able to adapt to the environment. They give lot to others. Social, extroverted, need recognition. Mechanical thinking. See, this is the way that they can detach from the situation. It is because of their intellect and philosophical bend of mind that they can do mechanical thinking also. So they detach from the environment. When I explained to her, she very readily accepted कि ठीक है, I should leave her alone and let her do what she wants. Takes things apart, inquiring mind. So this thing, mechanical thinking, practical type, intellectual, philosophical type, that is why, sulfur has to be a very wise lady. Active and wise lady. Generally, we have given sulfur in male patients a lot. But for female patients, mostly we don't think of sulfur that much, especially pure sulfur. We may think of Kali sulf, but then sulfur per se इतना नहीं prescribe करते हैं. That is the reason I wanted to take this case. And her response was very prompt. In the next week itself, she had stopped taking oxygen and she had started going for exercises also regularly. And apart from in spite of taking oxygen also, she used to feel breathless while climbing stairs after bath or when she went to the washroom and all. So that breathlessness had reduced. Tiredness, overall her energy level had improved. She had taken oxygen only 1 or 2 times in the whole week. And she felt relaxed. And the best thing she said, ki last time when I had come, there was not that much of effect of medicine also. So that was the reason that I left the medicine. But now I trust you fully. So I will take medicines regularly. So this is, only for 1 week medicine given, and this was the result. Anybody has any questions?
Ma'am, it was a single dose or a
I
continuation?
gave her 3 doses of 200 potency weekly.
Okay.
See, about posology, I will tell you there are many factors. So, if we understand the susceptibility, sensitivity, overall totality, how much is the similarity with the remedy? So, in her case, there was psychological thing also. So, the mind was also very clearly available. Her conflict was very clearly available. Though at the level of body, there was structural change in terms of fibrosis, which is an ongoing pathology. So, if we consider that, we could have gone to low potency, but mind, at the level of mind, her sensitivity is very high and her conflict was very clearly available. So, that is the reason that I selected 200, which is a moderate type of potency, not very high, not very low. And I gave her infrequent doses also. Any
And
other
ma'am, in
questions?
such cases, what we expect, like after giving our medicine, she will be out
Beautiful
of oxygen.
results. Beautiful results. One of
Okay.
my patient was quite old, older than this patient also, and she was advised oxygen, and she was not from that good financial background, and she was advised HRCT, CT scan of chest, which she could not afford. So that was the reason that she could not afford CT scan. She came to me. एक तो वो ऑक्सीजन का डर बैठ गया था कि एवरीडे आई विल हैव टू टेक ऑक्सीजन, उसका कॉस्ट बढ़ जाएगा, मशीन लेना पड़ेगा, एंड एट द सेम टाइम सीटी स्कैन कराने का पैसा नहीं था. That is the reason she came to me and she responded beautifully to a very simple remedy, Pulsatilla. वो चढ़ के स्टेयर केस चढ़ के मेरे पास क्लिनिक में आती थी बाद में.
But ma'am, in fibrosis, along with an old age, they will have a COPD also.
Yes.
So acutes jab aaye, because definitely they will have some acutes on and off.
Not
Because of,
necessarily. See, it depends completely on susceptibility. If your medicine has helped them at that level, there are no acutes. And even if acutes are there, they are taken care of with homeopathy itself. That lady had not started allopathic medicine. Whatever some treatment she took of bronchodilators and steroids, she took for some time, but when after coming to me, she was also only on Pulsatilla and her state was also bad. Like she was very breathless when she came to me. She couldn't climb stairs, she couldn't go out, she couldn't do anything at home.
so we
She
should not
really
continue, continuous giving of medicine is not required. Like infrequent,
yeah. She was
how
under
to,
my treatment for almost 2 years.
acha,
Abhi, she is off treatment.
okay.
She has moved also to other place, so I don't know how she is. But when she left me, she was completely all right. Like her respiratory problem has settled.
Okay.
सो उसको जो वो लोग ऑक्सीजन वगैरह शुरू कर देते या और हेवी मेडिसिन देना शुरू कर देते, वो सबसे तो वो बच गई। एंड बेसिकली सी व्हाट आई बिलीव इज लंग्स में अपने पास सरप्लस है। अपने को एक लंग पे भी काम चल सकता है, एक किडनी पे भी काम चल सकता है, लेकिन भगवान ने हमको इतना दे के रखा हुआ है। सो इवन इफ फाइब्रोसिस इज देयर, you can still improve the capacity, lung capacity. एटलीस्ट आप जहां पे ट्रीटमेंट शुरू करते हो उसके कंपैरिजन में तो आप लंग कैपेसिटी को काफी हद तक इंप्रूव कर सकते हो। फर्दर डैमेज नहीं भी हुआ, अगर बाकी का चेंज इरिवर्सिबल भी है, तो भी आप लंग की कैपेसिटी को बढ़ा सकते हो। नाउ वन ऑफ माय पेशेंट हैड लंग कैंसर, almost 2/3 of lung was occupied with tumor. So she was given exercises to at least उसका वन लंग जो है हेल्दी, उसका कैपेसिटी बढ़ना चाहिए। तो दे हैड सेड इतना कैपेसिटी बढ़ने के बाद ही हम लोग सर्जरी करेंगे, कि बिकॉज वी आर नॉट श्योर वेदर वी विल बी एबल टू रिमूव ओनली द ट्यूमर और वी विल हैव टू कट द होल लंग। सो यू कैन सर्वाइव ऑन वन लंग ऑल्सो। Only thing is you have to give similimum. और उसका पोसोलॉजी आपको बराबर करना है। अगर कंटिन्यूअस प्रोग्रेसिव डिसीज है तो आपको उस हिसाब से आपको कंटिन्यू करना है, डोजेस रिपीटेशन करना है। एक डोज से अभी वो फाइब्रोसिस जाने वाला नहीं है।
Then when to increase the potency in such cases? Because
Symptoms, follow-up analysis.
it was out of oxygen with 200. Then when to raise 1 m?
Why to raise 1 m? Till the time she responds well to 200, continue with 200. Why you have to raise the potency? केंट्स 12 ऑब्जर्वेशंस पढ़े हैं ना आपने? अगर अमिलियोरेशन है तो आपको बढ़ाने की जरूरत क्या है? सी बॉडी विल गिव यू इंडिकेशन, यू हैव टू रिस्पेक्ट दैट। अगर वो सिंगल डोज से भी आपको अच्छा रिस्पॉन्स मिल रहा है तो आप होल्ड कर सकते हो। किसी किसी को कंटिन्यूअस डोजेस लगते हैं। अभी वी हैव मेनी क्राइटेरियाज ऑफ पोसोलॉजी, वी आल्सो कंसिडर मायाज्म। सो साइकोटिक मायाज्म, लो ससेप्टिबिलिटी, इट नीड्स frequent repetition and low potency। जहां पे ऑर्गेनिक डिसीज है, जहां पे स्ट्रक्चरल चेंजेस एडवांस्ड है। अभी एलर्जी इडियोसिंक्रेटिक केसेस में यू हैव टू गिव लोअर पोटेंसी, वेरी इनफ्रीक्वेंट डोजेस। वहां पे आपको माप तोल के डोजेस देने हैं, यू कैन नॉट रिपीट। पेशेंट एग्रेवेशन में चला जाएगा। ऑटो इम्यून डिसऑर्डर, आर्थराइटिस, स्किन डिसीजेस, you have to be very very careful about repetition. You have to see the susceptibility and sensitivity of patient. हम अपने हिसाब से, मेरे को 6 पोटेंसी, मैं सब पेशेंट्स को 6 पोटेंसी में ही दवाई देता हूँ, मैं 30 देता हूँ, मैं 1 m से ही शुरू करता हूँ, ये सब इंडिविजुअलिस्टिक नहीं चलता है। यू हैव टू हैव ऑब्जेक्टिव क्राइटेरिया। यहाँ पे सब्जेक्टिवली नहीं चलता है कि आई हैव गॉट गुड रिजल्ट्स विद लो पोटेंसी सो आई विल गिव लो पोटेंसी टू एवरीवन। ऑब्जेक्टिव क्राइटेरिया हमारे मास्टर्स ने अच्छे तरह से डिफाइन किए हुए हैं। अभी अक्यूट न्यूरोसिस में अगर आपके पास पेशेंट फोबिया और एंजाइटी लेके आ रहा है तो आपको हायर पोटेंसी देना ही है। सिवियर पेन है जहां पे सेंसिटिविटी इतनी हाई है, पेशेंट कैन नॉट टॉलरेट द पेन, वहां पे भी आपको हाई पोटेंसी लगेगा ही। हाई फीवर्स है जहां पे आपको तुरंत फीवर को कम कंट्रोल करना है, यू हैव टू गिव हाई पोटेंसीज देयर। हम एक लेक्चर पोसोलॉजी के लिए रख सकते हैं जहां पे वी ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड डिफरेंट क्राइटेरिया। एकदम आपका सिमिलिमम है तो बहुत कम डोजेस लगेंगे, पार्शली सिमिलर है तो आप ज्यादा रिपीटेशन करोगे, थोड़ा वो रिस्पॉन्स आएगा, हाँ 2 घंटा मेरे को पेन कम लगता है, उसके बाद फिर से पेन बढ़ने लगता है, तो दैट इज नॉट द रिस्पॉन्स फॉर सिमिलिमम, वो पार्शली सिमिलर है। Any other questions? Shall we wind up, Mansi?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. You know what, Anita, when you were saying that, when she said when to give 1M, I said why to give 1M, and at the same time you said why to give 1M.
No,
I was
ma'am,
just
I was
laughing.
asking if in 2 years,
And I was
which
just
were the
thinking to keep a
conditions
lecture
where
on
you have
posology.
repeated
And
1M?
good Lord, you said the same thing. So nice, actually.
See, इमोशनली
If you are
डिस्टर्ब
ready, Anita,
पेशेंट जो
if
बहुत
you
ही इमोशनली डिस्टर्ब्ड होते हैं और आप माइंड के ऊपर ही
you
प्रिस्क्राइब कर रहे हो, जहां पे सेंसिटिविटी हाई है, पेन्स की, नर्व्स की, वहां
whisper.
पे आपको हाई पोटेंसी ही देना है।
No, like in 2 years, you said the patient was with you for 2 years. So in
Yeah.
which, like, what were the criteria? Like, see, one thing, oxygen, she was out of the oxygen and she
She
was
did
doing
not
her daily,
need oxygen. That old
she did
phase
not
of mine, she did not
need,
need oxygen
need
at all.
oxygen. She was doing all her daily activities, right? So
Yes.
she was only on that for continuation. That's what I wanted to ask.
She
Like,
was purely on homeopathy, no other allopathic medicine. She did not go to the chest physician again.
okay,
उसने
okay,
सीटी स्कैन कराने को बोला, उसके पास पैसे ही नहीं थे सीटी स्कैन कराने के।
okay.
मैंने फॉलोअप के लिए भी उसको बहुत बार बोला सीटी स्कैन करा लेते हैं, अपने को पता चलेगा कि क्या चेंज है, बट शी कुड नॉट अफोर्ड, सो शी डिड नॉट। बोला मेरे को अच्छा लग रहा है ना, क्या करने का स्कैन करा के।
तो कभी कभी poverty becomes blessing in
एडवांटेज
disguise
फॉर
for the
अस,
patient. Yeah, for the patient also is blessing.
या
Many
फॉर
times when
पेशेंट्स
patient
ऑल्सो।
comes with many times when the patient comes with allergy of allopathy drugs, I said you are blessed. Good,
So
good.
many times children force their parents कि नहीं हमको तो वही दवाई खानी है, they don't eat allopathy at all. I
Exactly.
have
They
so
don't,
many children patients, they
Yeah,
refuse to
yes,
take allopathy.
exactly.
अरे
They
हाई
will
फीवर में
wait with the
लेके भी
fever.
जाएंगे जीपी के पास, नेक्स्ट डे दे आर इन आवर क्लिनिक,
Actually,
डॉक्टर वो दवाई ही नहीं
actually.
लेता है। मैंने बोला अच्छा है
हाँ,
बेटा, तू सिखा अपने
exactly.
पेरेंट्स को।
हाँ, बहुत actually.
एंड पीपल हु हैव मनी दे विल गो फ्रॉम वन डॉक्टर टू अदर,
Actually.
वो दे
And अभी
जस्ट
तो ये
कीप चेंजिंग डॉक्टर्स
I know.
एट
और ये
देयर
इंश्योरेंस
whims
तो
and
अभी और एक
fancies।
बेकार बन गया है.
और
हाँ,
जिसके
the
पास
insurance
नहीं
is
है
again
चॉइस, वो टिक के रहता है अपने पास।
एक्चुअली, और बहुत अच्छी बात है वो, बहुत अच्छा है. और इंश्योरेंस और एक बड़ा मॉन्स्टर आ गया है अभी. Anita, we'll keep a lecture of yours on posology if
श्योर,
you if you
यस
if
यस,
it is not a headache for you.
because in
We'll be very
ICR we used to have in the case record only,
yeah,
we used
I
to
know.
have different criterias, so
Yeah,
it used to work out.
yeah,
So for
I
each
know.
and every case we would try to understand susceptibility quantitatively and qualitatively.
Qualitatively, yes, I know.
फिर मायाजम, डोमिनेंट मायाजम, फंडामेंटल मायाजम,
Yeah,
सेंसिटिविटी, नर्व सेंसिटिविटी एंड अदर सेंसिटिविटी, माइंड का सेंसिटिविटी. So type of pathology the patient has. Like I said,
yeah.
for allergies, you can't give hypotency. It
No,
generally
no.
aggravates, you know. For allergic
Yeah.
rhinitis, I used to give 200 1M. अभी मैं 30 से ही start करती हूँ.
Yeah.
And very
Either 30 or
infrequent.
idempotent.
And very
Yeah.
infrequent, and they respond beautifully.
Yes,
पहले
yes.
hypotency देके aggravate कर देते थे हम लोग.
नहीं, और उसमें रिपीटेशन दे दिया तो खत्म.
Even
You are
skins, psoriasis, everywhere I give very low potencies now.
Yeah.
सो वहां पे अच्छा रिस्पॉन्स आता है. ऑटो इम्यून में यू कांट मेक आउट ऑन अगर आपने हाइपोटेंसी और रिपीटेशन दे दिया, एग्रावेशन कब चालू हो गया समझ में ही नहीं आता है.
Actually, अपने को लगता है
तो
ये
पॉक्सोलॉजी इज अ
exacerbation
वेरी
है.
इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक.
Yeah.
और जब आप बराबर समझ के आप देते हो ना, तो आपका रिस्पॉन्सेस भी बहुत अच्छा हो जाता है. अभी फ्यू पीपल आर गिविंग ओनली 50 मिलीसिमल.
No, that's nonsense.
My experience with 50 millisimal is not that great.
Then it's a fanaticism to have only one potency, like
Yeah,
it's
so
not,
you can't do that.
no, you cannot go
So I
against
have seen
organism.
cases, even masters presenting cases, एक रेमेडी पे इतने टिके कि 3 पोटेंसी से लेके 10M तक चले गए सेम मेडिसिन.
Actually,
Whereas Allen's fever में आपको इंट्रोडक्शन में ही दिया हुआ है कि if your medicine is right and if you give in a different potency also there will be at least some effect.
yes,
और
yes.
यहाँ पे 3 से 10M हेडेक के लिए. And very famous teacher, I won't take name,
I
but
know.
I was surprised
Yeah,
कि
I
कहाँ
know.
कहाँ से ढूंढ ढूंढ के 3 पोटेंसी लेके आए और उसको 3 पोटेंसी खिलाया.
Mhm.
आई कांट अंडरस्टैंड कि इतना भी कुछ होता है कि आपको वो रेमेडी राइट होने के बावजूद आपको वो एक ही पोटेंसी को वो रिस्पॉन्ड करेगा.
Ah, exactly,
और आपको वो रेमेडी रिस्पॉन्स अगर अंडरस्टैंडिंग बराबर नहीं है तो आप ऐसे ही भटकते रहोगे.
exactly, exactly,
एंड यू
exactly.
लूज लॉट ऑफ टाइम अपनी रिजिडिटी
Time and
की
the
वजह से कि नहीं नहीं यही रेमेडी राइट है. अरे
yeah,
है
yeah,
तो इट हैज टू प्रोड्यूस इफेक्ट.
yeah. Either good or bad, either aggravation or some malformation. Yeah, and the patient suffer, na Anita. The worst part is
यस
the patient.
यस.
That much sensitive a doctor should be, that we should not cause suffering to the patient. बहुत ज्यादा fanaticism हो जाता है ना. That's not good. तो एम्पथी स्टॉप कर देते हैं ना तो फिर प्रॉब्लम चालू हो जाता है. एक्चुअल प्रॉब्लम होता है. No, we'll be very obliged, Anita, because ICR I love. Yes, I love. So I'll be very, very happy if you take lecture on potency.
श्योर वी विल
Huh?
ऑर्गेनाइज.
Yeah, yeah. Mansi beta, madam sir घे, date घे, potency sir, please. Huh? If you want to teach anything from ICR, Anita, you tell n number of lectures. We'll give you. You give the dates. You take the dates you want. You take the dates. Anything, everything from ICR, whatever you can teach, please. We'll be very, very obliged. We'll be very, very obliged because we have very high regards for ICR. Huh? The systematic work that the people they do is commendable. Commendable.
Nowadays, whatever cases we are seeing being presented, no, they just give rubrics, totality, remedy.
That's not good.
Type of work we used to do on our case paper was like a booklet.
I know, यार पूरा एकदम बड़ा.
SCR, standardized case record. So we used to,
I know.
nowadays they have started holding exams for that. कि SCR भरने को आता है कि नहीं आता है.
I know. पहले लेते हैं अभी.
If you can do that, then you join our centers. Otherwise, you are not allowed to join the centers also.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
that actually develops your discipline of your mind.
Yes. Yes.
क्योंकि आप वो जब बुक आप वर्क एनालिसिस और इवैल्यूएशन वगैरह सब करते हो ना, तो आपको क्वेश्चंस पूछते जाता है बुक. और आपको जब
Exactly.
यू आर फोर्स्ड टू थिंक ऑन दोज लाइंस,
Yes. Exactly.
आपको
Exactly.
कितना मार्क्स देना है. फियर ऑफ डार्क है तो फियर ऑफ डार्क 3 मार्क्स होगा कि 1 मार्क होगा. So you are,
Yes.
you have to think and give the grade. You have to think and evaluate. You have to think and analyze.
Yeah. True.
यहाँ पे वेक्सेशन है कि इंडिग्नेशन है कि मॉर्टिफिकेशन है. यहाँ पे फोर्सेशन
Ah.
है कि निग्लेक्टेड है. You
Ah.
are forced to think. So it disciplines your mind.
Yes. Sharpens and disciplines actually.
Yes, you are forced to think, no?
Yeah. Minimizes
अब
the
बुक में
mistake.
सर्कल क्या करोगे? आपको इंडिग्नेशन को सर्कल करना है कि वेक्सेशन को करना है?
कितना मस्त. So nice.
It's
So
step by
nice.
step everything,
Yeah. Actually. Very nice. I would love to listen to you, Anita. Please teach us ICR. Please teach us ICR. बेटा मानसी मॅडमशी बोल आणि घे मॅडमच्या तारखा घे. Please.
Sure, sure.
So, thank
Okay.
you. Thank you very
Thank
much,
you so much.
Anita ma'am. thank you on behalf of Ignited Minds by PHF, and we look forward for such more learning from your side. So, learning, not teaching from your side. So, thank you so much. Thank you, Liaquat sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, my PHF team, and thank you everyone for joining. Keep joining and keep learning. Bye bye. Good night.
Thanks everyone and good night.
And one